Welcome back to Dev School. In this lesson, we'll add a character to our game and press play to explore the world. If you use the third-person template, Unreal already gives you a character to control. It's the mannequin you see in the level. If you don't see a character in your project, here's how to add one. In the content browser, click the green Add button, then choose Add Feature or Content Pack. Under Blueprint Features, select Third Person and click Add to Project. This will bring in the default third-person character animations and game mode. The player start tells Unreal where the character will appear when the game begins. You can move this around just like any other object. Click the play button at the top of the screen. Your character appears at the player start, and now you can move with WASD. Use the mouse to look around. Press spacebar to jump. Now you can explore your game world. Walk your character near the objects you created before. This makes it feel like a real game you can play. Well, great job. You now have a playable character in your level. In the next video, we'll learn how to build your world by adding more objects. A world without a character is just an empty stage. The moment you press play, that stage comes alive, and your story begins to move. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Unreal Engine tutorials.